Hello, my champions. How are you all doing? I had a very interesting conversation yesterday with a few students. I asked them, "Did you do your homework?" And they said, "Yes, we have done all the sums." But I told them, I had not given you any sums. I had given you multiplication problems. They're really, what are you talking, ma'am? So, are you also thinking that all math problems, the answers, everything are called sums? You're in for a surprise. So we are going to learn what are the names given to the four operations. Now, let's take this 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. What is this 3 called as? It is called as addend. It is called as addend. What is the 4 called as? It is called as an addend. And the answer, the 7, is called as the sum. What happens is some the word is introduced, but all these addend is not at all introduced to our children, and therefore you you like always using the same word. Let's take multiplication, subtraction here. And this 11 minus 5 is the 6. Do you know what is this, the first number of subtraction called as? It is called as minuend. And the second number of subtraction is called subtrahend. Subtrahend. Okay. And the answer of subtraction is called as difference. But what we do, we learn that sum. That's all. The only that word is learned, and only that word is used for everything. Sum is the answer of addition. Difference is the answer of subtraction. At least these two things you have to know the different words for that, right? Coming to multiplication, let's take 3 times 5 is a 15. Note, I am always reading as 3 times 5. I am not reading 3 into 5. That's a wrong way of reading. 3 times 5 is a 15. Now, what is this 3 called as? It is called as a multiplicand. It's called as a multiplicand. And the 5 is called as the multiplier. Multiplier. And the answer is called as the product. Answer is called as the product. Now this multiplicand and multiplier, these two have another name also, just like how you have pet names, like that. The 3 and the 5 both are also called as factors. Okay, both of them have the same name. This is a factor, this is a factor, and this is a product. Now, let's come to division. 14 divided by 2 is a 7. The 14 is called as the dividend. The 2, the second number of the division, is called as the divisor. And the answer, the 14 divided by 2, the 7, is called as the quotient. Now, there's one interesting thing about division. Usually, addition, subtraction, multiplication all has only one answer, right? But division has two answers. Like, for example, if we take, instead of a 14, if we take a 15, 15 divided by 2, I get 2 times 7 is a 14, and I get something which is remaining. So this 2 is called as the divisor. If you see here, it's the same thing, no? What we saw here, the 2, it's same as here, right? Now instead of the 14, we have made it as a 15, right? Now instead of 14 being the dividend, now 15 is the dividend. Now, just like 14 divided by 2, we got a 7 as the quotient. Here also the 7 is the quotient. Okay, 7 is the quotient. But one thing is, because the dividend has increased by 1, we're also getting subtraction answer. This is called as the remainder. Children, have you noticed that only for division all the names are taught to you, but not for addition, subtraction, multiplication? And that's why you wonder or you think that division is, very something different, something difficult and all. No, all the things, addition, subtraction, multiplication, everything has names to it. And when you go to higher standards, you will have to know the names, because the problems will talk about the factors, the multipliers, things like that. It will talk, and you will be like lost. So just like when you meet a friend, whom you have met long back, and you forget their name, you feel embarrassed, no? Just like that, if in your higher standards you meet these words, factors, product, minuend, if you forget all those names, you will be like embarrassed. You will be like wondering what to do, what to, how, what is this? I don't understand. Think all such things happen because we forget. I want you to visit this video few times and learn the names of all these important four operations that you will surely use in your keep on using in your life. Okay, if you like this video, like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also share it with others, right? And always be a math champion. Believe that you can. Until the next video, see you. Bye bye.